What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. As you see here we have cyclohexane, this one is bromo, and we have hydroxyl group. Since we have hydroxyl group, it means that we are dealing with an alcohol. So the longest chain is going to be these 6 carbons here. We need to start from here because that's where we have hydroxyl group, and we need to go this way because bromo has the less number. If you go there, it's not going to be correct because that's far from here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So therefore we can call it 2-bromocyclohexan-1-ol or 2-bromocyclohexan-1-ol. We can also have trans right from the beginning because that's in transposition. So we have trans-2-bromocyclohexan-1-ol or 2-bromocyclohexan-ol. It's going to be the name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.